Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be doing the long-awaited coilover sleeve install. So we don't know until we take it off, but now we know that we're gonna need to get new struts eventually because that's on its way out. This is the bunkest, cheapest, but also kind of coolest thing I've ever done. Nothing's moving. Nothing's doing anything. We're literally useless.
So, Robbie, how are you feeling mentally right now?
Like, defeated. I feel like the Civic is winning. But this rusty old pile of ass is winning.
So fast forward to the next day, Robbie snapped the bolts underneath on the lower control arm and ditched me to go camping this weekend. So I'm stuck here with this piece of pileup to fix it. He's out in the bush somewhere in Whistler. He's gonna get eaten by a bear. Hopefully, I don't know. I was trying to get the bottom strut bolts out and snapped it. Literally snapped it. And we didn't know the other side. I don't know if you can see that. Right there. That side had a nut welded to it. And we didn't know that until we snapped it off. Then he snapped that side. And apparently it's gone for these bolts to seize to the bushings there. Exact same thing happened to this side. Same thing. Same thing. So, what he doesn't know is I got adjustable lower control arms and adjustable upper control arms for the rear. And he's not gonna know until, I don't know, probably until he edits this video, but I'm gonna surprise him. Some better parts than these 1993 old piece of shit metal. Maybe I'll try spraying some penetrating fluid and hitting that with the impact, see if we break through. If not, I got replacement bolts for all of them. It's gonna snap. Had to run to Home Depot, get more blades. Okay, after a bunch of cussing and frustration and cutting, finally got the frickin' piece of POS. I'm just gonna say POS out of this. Now, there's another one I gotta get out just to put these in. You better like this, Robbie, I swear to God.
Got here at 7.
Yep, so it's 10:28. Guy is going camping, leaves me with all this mess. Also, I got adjustable front upper control arms, which are still new, just covered in dust. Fix the camber in the front, at least help with the alignment when we do get it aligned. Also, I never film. Robbie always does. You guys are probably gonna bash me in the comments for my horrible filming job, but that's okay, that's why Robbie edits. I meant to say that's why Robbie films, because I just suck ass and I just do the work. Alright, so literally just been screwing around with that last control arm for the past hour. That side's out. This side has the new control arm in. Gotta do the same to that side. Take top hats off on both of these. Put the coil sleeves, and then back in they go. Since Robbie's not here, I gotta compress the spring myself. Okay, for some reason, I don't know if it's supposed to be a spacer between here, but it sits lower than the fronts. And with this fully compressed with the spring, it's bottomed out. I'm gonna raise this up 30, the front's at 40, see how it sits. And if it still bottoms out, gonna figure out how to move this up. So it's literally 2 a.m. Got the passenger side done. All the nuts tight and coils in. Didn't do the upper one yet. I have no clue where Robbie put the nuts for the top hat. Ow, mother. Literally, been looking around the whole shop for these 2 nuts and I can't find it. And he's asleep. So I'm probably gonna do that tomorrow when he answers my text. I'm gonna call it quits tonight. Probably get more of those nuts. Take one as a sample and go get 2 extra ones. Robbie comes home today, and I gotta get these upper control arms in because he has no clue that I did all this besides installing the coilovers or installing the coil sleeves on the struts and dropping it. That's all he knows. And we have exactly 3 hours. Back it in so he doesn't see the back end of the car. He just thinks I lowered it, and see what his reaction is. I don't have my safety glasses. I don't know where they are. All right, so I said screw it, and I took the Sawzall to the bolt, just cut it right off. So trying to waste my time and salvage both sides. All right, got this side out. The other side's put back together. Other side's put back together with the adjustable arm. Literally a pain to get this bolt out. Robbie's gonna be here soon, so I gotta hurry up, get these wheels on, turn the car around so he doesn't see it. Front control arms, upper control arms, we'll probably be doing it in another video. I don't have time to put it in right now. This was a big concern. Over the weekend, I'm gonna throw the wheels on, see how it sits, see how the ride height is. That's where we're at now. All right, got the wheels on, and this side just, like, it's freaking close. This side doesn't look too bad, actually. I think it's lower than the front. This side has it's a little bit bigger gap. It could be the struts are exactly the same 35 in the back, and we got 40s in the front, but it could be just how we mounted the fender flares. But I'm gonna pull it out and see, because maybe right now the ground's not even in the shop, so we're gonna see how it sits outside.
Oh my.
Is it hitting? Oh, it's barely hitting. Look at that, there's still a gap, it's all good.
Okay, stop.
Did you rub? Like, did you turn it and it rubbed?
Like, I like 60 kilometers.
So like we shouldn't track it yet.
No, it's not like it's gonna crack, it's just taking away that extra lip inside.
We could always cut that lip too. What the fuck? You fucker. Hey! Where'd you get these from? So I have no idea how much Emerson filmed or how much footage you guys have. Apparently there's a lot. So you guys are probably gonna, I might end up splitting this into 2 videos. I don't really know. So I'm not gonna sit here and just tell you how good this looks, but it looks good. We went camping and all I did was ask the kid to just put in some bolts and fix it. And it looks so tight. The photo I put on Instagram the other day of just the booty shot of the Civic, I noticed you can see the lower control arms and they're black and they're kind of boring. I haven't taken this out of the shop yet, but like, oh, the light's coming in, it's hard to see. It just looks so good. Emerson's washing the car out there. I'm not gonna pull it out today. I'll pull it out because we actually also got, I don't know, he probably told you, upper control arms for the front. So we're gonna put those in later this week, then I'll pull it out. So you guys all need to thank Emerson as much as I did because he came through this weekend and saved our asses. Did you explain to them where all this stuff came from?
No, I didn't even see the price or anything.
So the control arms, he didn't tell you guys, but the control arms he had at work. They were just laying around at his shop at work, I guess. Is that, you want to tell people? Just tell people where they came from.
Yeah, they're at work, they were brand new. And I guess the customer didn't want them on his car. I think they were trying to build the Civic.
And they just ordered them in and they never took them?
Yeah, and I guess the car was never built.
They were just laying around his work. So his boss was like, oh, what are you doing to the Civic this weekend? And he said what we were doing. And he's like, you can just have these, and just gave it to him. So like, of course, the one weekend we're doing that and we get some free extra parts to help us out. So that's awesome. It helps and it looks way better. So mate, you gotta end this because you saved this whole video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope there's a good amount of footage. I hope Emerson did a good job. I'm sure he did a good job. I'm sure he did a good job. Everybody thank Emerson for the help. End it, boy. Am I supposed to say, Robbie, thank you for letting me stay up all night while you were out camping.
Oh, yeah.
And I was here busting my ass. Thanks for buying me a for doing it.
No, you can't say that.
Well, I'm gonna beep it out. Oh. You know
Peace out. Robbie makes me do all the work.
Stay committed.